How to remove Lemon8 link on TikTok. First things first, before you access your TikTok application, make sure that you're currently running the latest version of the app to avoid any crashes and glitches. Now open up the application and ensure that you're already logged in into your TikTok account. At the lower right portion of your screen, you should see profile. Tap on that, and then in here, right side of your current TikTok name, you should see edit button. Tap that, and below the bio button, which will be on the basic info field, you should be able to see links. Tap on links, and then all the links that you have associated with your TikTok account will be visible here, maybe Lemon8, Instagram, or YouTube. Tap on Lemon8, and on the next page, just simply tap on remove, and that's it. It's basically how you remove your Lemon8 link on TikTok.